Siren tested Turkey Point Friday. CBS Miami. 87. Sign up for newsletters. Buy tickets your home. More. Channels. Buy tickets your home. Facebook, Twitter, follow us. Home. News. Health. Sports. Top spots. Events. Video and pics. Traffic. Weather. Places. Travel. Deals. Autos. Circulars. Latest news. Local. Politics. Business. Consumer. Entertainment. Health. CBS 4 investigates. National. World. Blogs. Header nav top main dash nav header nav top main dash nav left curly bracket background URL http://smedproperty.files.wordpress.com 2011/12 menu tabs background point B&G repeat X color white right curly bracket header nav top sub dash nav left curly bracket background URL http://miami.files.wordpress.com 2012/1 statiscapaper.bng no repeat right curly bracket. Local. Siren tested Turkey Point Friday. September 6, 2013 10:42 a.m. View comments. Filed under local, news, syndicated local. Related tags Florida Power and Light Company, Miami-Dade Emergency Management, Siren, Test, Turkey Point. Send us your pictures. Upload your weather pictures. Palmetto Bay, Miami, Euro people who live near Florida Power and Light Company Euro trademark as Turkey Point plant will hear a siren test Friday afternoon and should not be alarmed. The test will take place at 1 p.m. Friday, September 6th. According to FPL, the process will take approximately 30 minutes. The test is a quarterly one. Florida Power and Light asked anyone with questions to contact the Miami-Dade Emergency Management Department. View comments. Blog comments powered by Discourse. Listen live. Latest videos. Miami weather at your desk August 6, 13. More videos. CBS Miami sections select category 30 players 30 days left parenthesis 60 right parenthesis 9/11. 10 years later, 56, ACA Impact, 5, ACA Information, 6, ACA Resources, 6, Affordable Care Act, 25, Al Sunshine, 74, Arts, 31, Arts and Culture, 105, Autos, 563, Autos News, 205, Back to School, 68, Beach WKNB 1, Blogs, 646, Boating and Fishing, 67, Breaking News, 1, Business, 847, Cardiology Vertical, 9, Cardiology Mount Sinai, 3, Carrie Cotted, 65, CBS 4 Investigates, 215, Children's Health, 51, College Sports, 185, Colorectal, 23, Community, 30, Consumer, 1413, Contests, 11, Contests and Promotions, 19, Craig Sutzer, 6, Culture, 26, Daily Deal, 419, David Bernhard, 5, David Sutter, 8, Defend Your Right, 30, Dolphins, 1211, Drink, 28, Earth Day, 18, Echozone, 1, Emmy Awards, 32, Entertainment, 8 and 12, Facing South Florida, 117, Fall Content, 4, Fall Winter Guide, 46, Family, 66, Family and Pets, 111, Farewell to Oprah, 20, Fast Facts, 38, Father's Day, 39, 5 Things You Missed, 10, Following Danica Patrick, 29, Food, 113, Food, 87, Food and Drink, 143, Getaway Guide, 4, Grammys, 224, Gridiron Grub, 39, Guides, 62, Halloween, 68, Health, 967, Health Reform Plug, 1, Health Watch, 391, Healthy Living, 92, Heat, 60.